back to my Day 40 to Embroidery Challenge. Today's piece is something a little extra special because it brings together texture, shine, and color all in one design. On this phone cover, I created a beautiful floral arrangement using bright threads and sparkling stones to make every flower stand out. The red and peach flowers add a bold, eye-catching charm, while the yellow and purple buds bring balance and a cheerful pop of color. Each stone is placed carefully to highlight the details and give the whole piece a glowing, elegant finish. What I love most about this design is how simple stitches can transform an everyday object into something artistic and personal. With just creativity and patience, even a plain phone case can become a beautiful handmade accessory. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Stay with me for more ideas, inspiration, and creativity in the upcoming days. See you in the next part of the challenge.